Are you madly in love with a girl, but she isn't reciprocating your love? Do you miss her like a volcano just about to erupt, but you're not sure that she feels the same? Do you want her to take you seriously, but you don't know how to communicate this to her? Well, do you want her to miss you and crave your company? Now, if the answer is yes, and even if you're standing in the gray area, this is the perfect video for you. Today, I am going to reveal 10 hidden methods that you could use to make her crave your company. And it will not be things that are obvious to you. So, are you ready? Sit back and make sure you watch the entire video until number 1, because this is going to be life-changing. Also, if you'd like to be part of a game-changing giveaway, make sure to watch the entire video. Hi, welcome to Ladies Love You, a channel that is all about providing you with the most essential tips related to dating and equipping you with the skills that will enable you to be a champ at the game of love. Before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. So, let's start with number 10. Be a little mysterious. Opening up about yourself is a good thing, especially when you want to make her feel comfortable about opening up about herself. But you don't want to open up too much. Don't reveal all of your innermost self just yet. Save some of your good stories for later. Bloom gradually, like a flower, not an already open book. Talking too much about yourself may cause her to make a snap judgment. She might not like some things about you right off the bat, and you definitely don't want that. Give her some time to get to know you. Number 9, stop spending a lot of time together. Excess of anything can have a negative effect. This also can apply to spending an excessive amount of time together. If you won't leave her alone, then how can she miss you? The key is to give her some time to miss you, and that can be done if you two don't meet up every single day. Since we have a thing called the internet that connects people through social media, stay away from her, even on social media. I can't emphasize this enough, because if you won't stop messaging her, she won't miss you. Number 8, don't talk too much on the phone. While calling each other is a necessity, don't go for 3-hour-long conversations over the phone. This too counts as giving her some breathing space. By doing this, she may miss talking to you, or want to talk to you more the next time. Show that you're interested without coming on too strong. Number 7, don't act desperate. While girls like some attention, they clearly don't like guys that are desperate, who are always up for doing anything to get laid. If she calls you, you don't have to always pick up the phone as soon as you hear it buzzing. Sometimes you gotta give it some time. Pick it up after a minute or so, or give her a call back later. However, when you do decide to call her back, keep in mind that you don't want to try and sound too cool, as if you don't care, because that could backfire big time. All you have to do is be thoughtful and a good listener when you do talk on the phone. Do these things, and trust me, she will realize that she misses you. Number 6, take things slow. You don't want to rush into any relationship. However, you don't want to take things extremely slow at the same time. Whatever you do, make sure you don't seem too clingy or desperate to get her attention. Act cool and go with the flow, and give her time to think about you in a good way, obviously. Number 5, don't expect her to like everything you like. Having common likes and dislikes can be amazing, but you don't necessarily have to like and dislike the same things. It's good and actually healthy to have some differences. This way you can learn from each other and expand each other's horizons. Number 4, give her something to remind her of you. Giving gifts is a great way to establish your presence in her life and show your affection. If you're far from your loved one, your gifts will remind her of you, and when she looks at them, she'll definitely miss you. She'll remember all those times you spent together, and she'll miss you even more. Number 3, surprise her. Girls love surprises. It's one of the many things that make them happy. Make sure you surprise her with something often. This way, she'll not only love you more, but she'll know that you're thinking of her when you're not together. A very important tip here, make sure your surprises line up with her likes and interests, as this can vary greatly depending on the girl. Don't just give her cliche things like roses and chocolate, unless you know that she loves these things. Trust me, women appreciate that a lot of thought was put into their gifts, and this applies to all women. Number 2, never take her for granted. Girls can totally tell if you're taking them for granted. And besides that, you shouldn't take anyone for granted. Treat her like the special lady that she is, and believe me, she will always respect you for respecting her. She'll remember you for how thoughtful you are when it comes to her. Number 1, write a romantic letter. This is the time you let your feelings out and praise them on a piece of paper. In the age of technology, physical love letters mean so much to a woman. More than something like jewelry, chocolates, or flowers. It will make such an impression that she will not soon forget it. Make sure that whatever you write it with your heart and include emotions so she knows exactly how you feel for her. She will always remember you for this gesture. Getting a girl isn't that tough. Believe in yourself and be the gentleman that she deserves. All you have to do is watch this video and practice the tips religiously and make sure that you have good intentions with it. Go and shine in the moment with these tips and tricks because you deserve it. Thanks for watching. Click on the link in the description box below to receive your free game-changing giveaway. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. What's the best thing you ever did to make a girl you like miss you? Let us know in the comments below.